Today we're talking about why it's so important to clean your dryer, hose, and vent using tools like a vacuum and a leaf blower. Now, I know cleaning your dryer may not be the most exciting task, but trust me, it's super important. Over time, lint and debris can build up in your dryer, hose, and vent, which can only decrease its efficiency, but also create a fire hazard. Plus, a clogged dryer can also lead to longer drying times and higher energy bills. So, to avoid all of that, it's necessary to clean out your dryer regularly. A vacuum is great for removing lint and debris from the hose, and a leaf blower is perfect for tackling the vent. Make sure to unplug your dryer before starting and always follow the manufacturer's instructions. It may seem like a hassle, but trust me, taking the time to clean out your dryer can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. Happy cleaning!